How to activate device management on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into a quick but super important task, activating device management on your iPhone. This is essential if you need to install certain apps or profiles for work or development. So let's get started. You need to head over to your settings. Then you need to go to General. Then you need to scroll down to the bottom and go to VPN and Device Management. And here you can see Sign in to work or school account. So you can tap on it and then you'll need to sign in by putting in the email address and password. And then once you're done, you'll be logged in and you will see a section that is labeled enterprise apps or developer apps. You just need to tap on the one that applies to you, and finally to activate it, you'll see an option to trust the application. You need to tap on trust to confirm, and that's it. You have successfully activated device management on your iPhone. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.